Okay, year 8, just a little video again just to show us how we can view plant cells and plant tissue under the microscope. So this is what you're going to be doing today. Here's my microscope again. I've got it set up under 4 times magnification. Lights on, and I'm ready to go. So here's my onion. This is kind of what you'll be getting. And got my tweezers. And I have a mounting needle, a cutting tile, a slide that I'm going to put the onion tissue on. I have a cover slip, I'll just pick it up. My cover slip, very thin piece of glass here that's going to go over the top of the onion tissue when I get it out. And I've also got iodine here, which is going to stain the cells and make it easier to view under the microscope. Okay, so cool little experiment. I could use my mounting needle or tweezers. Let's just move so you can see me doing this here. Okay, so I'm just going to take apart part of that onion so you can see now I've just split it, and in between these sort of layers of the onion there's a layer of tissue which we're going to try and view under the microscope. Now I can kind of literally just peel that off using tweezers here, and the way we've cut it gives us a really lovely layer, just the right size to put onto your slide. So just arrange that nicely using your tweezers. So now I've got it. See on the slide there's just a tiny bit of tissue. And now I'm going to use the iodine, literally 2 drops, 1 or 2 drops maybe, to stain this for easy viewing under the microscope. Okay, so I put 2 drops of this under. Now I'm going to use my mounting needle and my cover slip. This is where a little bit of good fine motor skills come in. So we're going to try and not get any air bubbles underneath. Now, what I've done is I've just put, let's see if I can show you. Oh, I've dropped it. So I just had the cover slip at an angle underneath my mounting needle, and then I actually just dropped it while I was trying to show you, by lowering that cover slip onto the onion tissue. So now what I've got, I actually only partially covered the onion the onion tissue with the cover slip. What I want you to do is try and cover the whole lot, but actually I'll still be able to view this quite well under the microscope. Okay, so I'm going to put that onto my stage, make sure the light is on. I'm going to move the sample so I can see it's actually nice and central over where the light source is coming from underneath. Yeah. Objective lens at 4 times magnification just while we find it and focus. So remember, stage at the bottom will move up as we're looking through the eyepiece lens so we can see we're focusing onto that onion tissue. All right. And what you should be able to see is the tissue between the layers of the onion, which consists of exactly the same kind of cell. I think these are all epidermal cells. All right. And then we can zoom in 10 times magnification, maybe 40 times magnification, to see if we can see one individual cell in a bit more detail. All right, thank you.